Over there, so him go and decide in mind, say, mix up me and Bree, me and this, Bree and me left, that girl there breed, right, when you bring your career this, after a while, people now look to you for music. Look on Nation Boss, Panda Live here, and tell me if you see a star right there, so look on this.
When you know what you don't want to play, no watch him a bossy. No you want to play what him no go suck your mother. Let out him on the Nation Boss come.
Look on all spice here, sir.
Why, so now no makeup brush in there?
Yeah, me have makeup brush.
That's the move out of them at this culture. You know remember your culture, my friend? Where is Macka Diamond now after she care for her career? Go dash her over TikTok.
Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy, when I live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck out my butthole.
What you good joke. What? Jaja.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV and what man of pace. I was to the violence of the streets, living love, unity and strength. Blessed Sabbath, the 3rd of May. Happy birthday if you say birthday, you see it? Yes man, long life and prosperity, you know, you see me. Yes man, in this episode, that boy Tulox, boy, and the pressure and the fire from Macka Diamond. Got viral. Yo, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, Tulox did a podcast the other day, a podcast. See, watch it, you know I'm a fan. See, big up Tulox. I'm not say, yeah, Tulox about him fire, but he must speak facts and truth. You see me? Now come to the test that Macka Diamond lash out, and this Tulox, I'm going to hear where I'm going. You see me? Yeah, Tulox also address Silk Boss, and Nation Boss, and Spice, and also Gage. You see me in the same vlog. You must highlight how them get the opportunity musically wise and them joke it out or clone it out or you know what I mean? Yeah, not Spice. Cause I know Spice I do her thing. Macka Diamond I do her thing. See? But you mainly attack Nation Boss and Gage and Silk Boss. You see me? But you do what? I'm going to play the video and you can let me know what you think. I might interject now and then still, see? But yeah, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You see me? I love you straight across the board.
Hey, watch them on the German represent for Linefoot TV. They are real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Linefoot Patriots out there.
Over there, so him go and decide in mind, say, mix up me and Bree, me and this, Bree and me left, that girl there breed, right, when you bring your career this, after a while, people now look to you for music. They might look to you for mix up. You never know. Because if you get your break and you gone out, they can bust. And you gone back over there because a hit bust you. You know, in a sense, you don't know if you be a star.
Oh, Silk Boss did get the boss again. Can somebody remind me? In did pull a stunt or the breathing making boss. I swear him boss before the breathing. You see me? But anyway, let me know what you think if you don't agree with what Tulox I say. You see me? You know, Silk Boss, talented artist, get the opportunity, but I don't know why him career now excel. If at the box, the beating where him get you know, him the misunderstanding with him and the Terrodan, yeah. You see me? I don't know. I'm lack of management about talented artist with some bad vocals. But let me know if you don't agree with Tulox. You see? Alright, the next Tulox address Nation Boss.
Look on Nation Boss, Panda Live here, and tell me if you see a star right there. So look on this.
When you know what you don't want to play, no watch him a bossy. No you want to play what him no go suck your mother. Let out him on the Nation Boss come bite your mother. Suck your mother, low life, butty pussy boy. Suck your mother. Oh no, a cloud chaser. Oh no, a cloud chaser. Oh no, some butty boy. When you're nobody, you decline the days, months and decades. Or suck your mother, Nation Boss. Butty boy. I'm sorry me listen to song them. I'm sorry me listen to song them, butty boy. Or suck your mama. Come up from the screen, the butty boy. Hey, girl, freckles, leave.
Can you see that? Tell me which part in that clip the while ago you say a real star. You know what, I look a butty boy then I'm cowboy, I feel like him can come size up with you, bro. Cause you go over there. I feel them ear cause you're there, That's why the man can deal with this like a waste man.
Yes man, I must say, I am in agreement with Tulox. You see me? You lie with dogs, you catch flea. You go up on TikTok, certain people TikTok, you expect to get certain treatment or this. You see me? And I'm kind of disappointed still if you say Silk Boss, Nation Boss. make somebody that deal with him like that. Somebody will bust on the scene. Again, nice vocals, talented artists. I don't know why the artists them, if them not lack of management or why them career na excel or higher stage, me don't know. But I'm kind of disappointed to see Nation Boss put himself in that situation to make him diss him up so. I don't want to diss him all because him say Nation Boss has been blocking him, avoiding him for months and days for play match. Now him running, you see me? So boy, I tell you. Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers, about that. Said, big up Nation Boss, save me.
Look on that spice, yes, sir.
Why? So now no makeup brush in there?
Yeah, me have makeup brush.
What for a makeup brush?
Let me go for a makeup brush.
Wait, all of she put on again, guys. KY jelly.
She put gel on it, what you say? See more, she brush her.
You see.
That is Spice, you know? One of dancehall biggest artists. No, who tell me Spice didn't need that? Gone over Jaden can talk about brush and all type of fuckery. Sometimes I'm not too enough. And I be a fuckery back, Spice. Be a fuckery back. If you know where they are style of other than about culture and all type of foolishness, sometimes you have to wonder if you know memory. You know no memory. Look on all them fuckery when you're not batty boy and sodomite. I may have a friend in my like you know. But some things are just true. And just because people say them, I mean say they hate it. That's true. Look on it. We have where I do with batty boy Jaden. Them I run brush joke and I try to help him get back in the street. Jaden not gone away. Jaden safe. Jaden the on theme acre. You never know. Are you in a trouble when you mix your big real celebrity status with them little batty boy? Yes, them over them are this culture. You don't remember your culture, my friend. Trust me. The last time you know culture, I the one that used to pirate ghosts. Come on, Spice man. Understanding yourself and know say I've often have a couple of things when you go over yourself. Because that shit you try to look tic-tac for you.
Again, I agree with Tulox with what I say, truth and rights, but at the end of the day, Spice, her own big woman, she have her own fan base, and Spice live America now, and she there own certain people where some of them straight, some of them lean, and you don't know America's lifestyle already. At the freakiness around the world, it's America, you see me? So, Spice have to balance her thing and stay open-minded. You see me? She can't burn the fire and say she upon certain people yet because our fan base consists of those people. You see me? But at the end of the day, the Spice will go up on TikTok and associate herself with anybody at all. Lean straight, human fish. That's her choice. You see me? But I don't know if Spice are going to answer Tulox, you know, but sometimes you speak the truth, you get burned on fire, you know, and attack. Yeah, man. You see, let me know what y'all think about that, my viewers and subscribers. You see it?
Where is Macka Diamond now after she carry her career go dash her over TikTok? I sing song with Derek and some with a batty boy or something, thinking say all you have to do I get people talking. Are they still talking? How no for dash way? Forever for 1 or 2 days. Because real music lasts forever when you do it good. And Macka do some bumbucklat song boy. Take man, pan him and run him and the whole of them song them money out. And them they gonna live forever. But when you go over TikTok and come off desperate, you mash up all of that. So all of the blood clot seed when you plant from before and dig them up and dash them when you go over TikTok. You go do song with Derek and come defend Batty Boy and never know say it all earthy because guess what? When I started to see the world as liberal, people get wise now, it's 2025. How you feel now, Macka? The people them done with you and still continue with Derek. And that are the worst bumbucklat part. And like you go over there, you don't want the tops and the roses, you don't want them top up the bumbucklat screen. You go over there like the same regular beggars. What you think them gonna do? Group you up and size up with you because you and them are the same thing.
Again, Tulox have a point, you know what I mean? And I agree with him to a certain extent. But at the end of the day, as I said, Spice, Macka Diamond is her own big woman. She is in response of her career. Whatever action she wants to take, that's her choice. You see me? When you don't bash her and lash her, she still have her choice to walk in the fire and do anything she wants to do. So, You see me? I'm for them. I think Macka Diamond mash up, Macka Diamond a tour and I do our thing. Yeah, man. Macka Diamond a tour and I do our music, man. You see me? If she want to do song with Derek or again, Macka Diamond have our fan base, we mix, just like Spice and them. Yeah, I'm careful. You see me? Just like how the male artists them sign the agreement, they say to stop bonfire and burn certain people. At the same, why old man not talk about the man them we start burn the fire on the fish them, swim around them. Yeah? The same thing, Just like how the man them sign the agreement to stop sing certain song. It don't make no difference when Macka doing the song with them. Because if Macka a bonfire and a scan them, like the Spice say, fair sales good drop our fan base, good drop and should get attack and start get show because we see them of the angle, you see it. But any of my viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think. Macka Diamond never like that, so Macka Diamond respond. Even Macka Diamond say, and a lot of expletive, you've been warned.
Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy, when I live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck out the battle. But career, you have none? You not have no blood clot career, you have ton blogger. Come suck out the battle. You're gonna win more than me? Hey, dirty boy. Me don't need none of you know. Come tell me about my career, because I don't fuck nobody to have no career. Hey, dirty stinking twins of twins, boy. Come suck out the battle. I want to know. Hey, dirty boy. Where me there? See me here. See me here drunk, come near me out. You stink like you feel a dog shit. You have no career. You have no blood clot career, dirty boy. Twins of twins, boy. You don't have no career. You don't have a song like what me having a music. You're bright, no blood clot. But me do song with Batman. You fuck Batman. Don't allow me a batty blood clot, man. That's why now worry about me and do song with Batman. You have blood clot deal. And what do you know? You stink like. Look what Batman no got to show for. Look what Batman go no money. Look what Batman no gonna do plate. And what do you dirty boy? Look what Batman the music. Hey boy, don't fuck your blood clot self for me now. Go suck your mother. About blood clot career. My business about career. My business about the dirty stinking people where I wonder about me. Don't wonder about me. Cause me not a career, me I'm a pussy. When me can't give man for fuck out and get money. Hey boy, go suck your mother. Again, and suck her 20 million times. Boy, moving the blood now look hype. Everything gonna come texted for me and my blood clot career. Me business about career. Hey dirty boy. When you're singing that music, what kind of hit song you have? Tell the people what kind of hit song you have. You don't have no career. Go suck your mother, look what Batman on the work for. On the work for how much company in that music and you can't boss. And enough I company them that music have Batman night. Well on to come suck me out.
Boy, the first me and Macka Diamond gets a brawling, so rude, so raw. Yo, Macka Diamond the chip, she had enough. The Espada thing and the S-Out Batty thing, we don't support that still, but at the end of the day, Macka Diamond a clap back at Twins of Twins, Tulox, you see me? Let me know what y'all think, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? At the end of the day, I say each to their own, everybody free for the way they want to do, I say what they want to say. For them choice, for them mistake, for them error, for them uprising, for them downfall, you see me? But anyway, big up on yourself, I hate that, Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share the content. Lionfoot, the man of peace. I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out.